What's costlier? Solar cells, imported gems, precious stones, mobile phones and chargers, imported auto parts, imported air conditioners and refrigerators and their compressors. That's all more expensive. What is cheaper? Iron, steel, copper items. These all go down. Nylon clothes, leather goods, gold and silver.
Some relief for India's senior citizens, those who are above 75 and whose only income is their pension and interest from savings, will no longer have to file income tax returns.
We shall reduce compliance burden on our senior citizens who are 75 years of age and above. For senior citizens who only have pension and interest income, I propose exemption from filing their income tax return. The paying bank will deduct the necessary tax on their income.
However, what has remained largely unaddressed are the problems of middle-class India, hard hit by salary cuts or job losses, no tax cuts or incentives.
हम लोग को मतलब इस बजट से एक्सपेक्टेशन थे कि थोड़ा कुछ सैलरीड बढ़े, कुछ ऐसा हो जाए, अच्छा हो जाए, क्योंकि देखो ये कोरोना में स्कूल के सब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस थे. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में आपको टैब, कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप की ज़रूरत थी. उसका रेट तो अभी उल्टा बढ़ा दिया, उल्टा कम करना चाहिए था.
When there is no income and we have to pay tax for what? So from where we will give those kind of taxes?
In the budget, there has been no change in income tax slabs. There is exemption from filing returns for pensioners who are 75 years old and above. The time limit for reopening an IT assessment has been reduced from 6 years to 3 years. The existing tax slabs are to continue, and on Provident Fund contribution, there is no exemption on interest income for contribution above 2.5 lakh rupees.
Somebody who puts 1 crore into this fund each month, what should be his salary? So for him to give both tax concession and also an assured 8% return, we thought is probably not comparable with an employee with about 2 lakhs who puts that money, gets tax concession and also gets 8% return.
Common man had more hopes from this budget, especially after many faced job cuts and salary cuts last year. So if there was a tax relief, then there would have been more money in their hands and consumer spending would have gone up too. In Mumbai with camera person Praveen Rohit, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.